Hi everybody, this is Charlie Drama from Charlie's Learning Safari. I'm here today to talk to you about 4 really important math calculations: the mean, median, mode, and range. Sit back and get ready for another Learning Safari. What is the mean? The mean is the average of a norm. Finding the mean is easy, and you can do it in 2 simple steps. Just add up all the numbers in the sequence. Then divide the total by the amount of numbers you added together. So here's a good example of how finding the mean works. We have a large group of numbers. To find the mean, the first step we take is to add the numbers together. When we add them, they equal 55. The next step is easy. We already know that the sum of the numbers is 55. So now we need to know how many numbers we have. By counting the numbers on the list, we can see there are 10 numbers. Now we divide the sum from the first step by 10. 55 divided by 10 equals 5.5. This is the mean. What is the median? The median is the middle value. Finding the median is a very quick and easy process. Line up all your numbers from least to greatest. The median is the value of the middle number. If you had 2 numbers in the middle, then just find the mean between the 2. To find the median of this set of numbers, the first step we do is to line up the numbers in order from least to greatest. Once this is finished, we find the number that sits in the middle. The easiest way to do this is to start at the outer ends of the number line and mark off all the numbers one by one. First, we mark out the numbers 2 and 10. Then, we mark out the numbers 3 and 9. Next, we mark out the numbers 4 and 8. And finally, mark out numbers 5 and 7. The last number standing is the number 6. It is in the middle of this group of numbers. It has 4 numbers on both sides. 6 is the median. This example is very similar to the previous problem, but there is a big difference. To find the median of this set of numbers, the first step we do is to line up the numbers in order from least to greatest. Once this is finished, we must find the number that sits in the middle. The easiest way to do this is to start at the outer ends of the number line and mark off the numbers one by one. First, we mark out 1 and 10. Then we mark out 2 and 9. Next, we mark out numbers 3 and 8. Finally, we mark out the numbers 4 and 7. This time, there is not one middle number, there are 2 middle numbers. 5 and 6 are both middle numbers in the set. So what do? To find the median, we have to find the mean, or average, between these 2 middle numbers. To do this, we add them together. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Then we determine how many numbers were added together. Because we have the numbers 5 and 6, there are only 2 numbers. Finally, we divide the sum of 5 and 6 by 2. So, 11 divided by 2 equals 5.5. The median for this set of numbers is 5.5. What is the mode? The mode is the most frequent value. Finding the mode is pretty easy too. All you need to do is to find the number or numbers that appear most. It's okay if you have more than one mode. To find the mode, we determine which number occurs most. Number 1 occurs 3 times. Number 2 occurs 2 times. Number 4 occurs 2 times. Number 6 occurs 1 time. Number 9 occurs 1 time. And number 5 occurs 1 time. 1 is the mode. 1 occurs the most times. What is the range? The range is the difference between the smallest and the biggest numbers. Finding the range is all about subtraction. First, you find the biggest and smallest numbers. Then, all you need to do is subtract the smallest number from the biggest. To find the range, we must find the biggest and smallest numbers. Number 1 is the smallest number. Number 12 is the biggest number. Then, subtract the smallest number from the biggest number. 12 minus 1 equals 11. 11 is the range. Welcome back! I hope you learned a lot in your Learning Safari. Today, we learned about mean, median, mode, and range. Well, that's all for now. Au revoir, learners!